Hi, I will be the teacher for this question to you. Let me explain this question now. So we are given an oil funnel. This is made of tin sheet. It consists of a 10 centimeter long cylindrical base. This base is attached to a frustum of a cone. Now the total height of the funnel is given to you 22 centimeters. Diameter of the cylindrical portion, which is at the base, is 8 centimeter. The diameter of the top is also given to you, that is 18 centimeters. We are supposed to find out the total area of tin sheet required to make this funnel. So let's look at the figure. In this figure we can clearly see the upper one is a frustum and the lower we have a cylindrical base. The dimensions are given to you. What we have to do in this question is to find out the area of tin sheet required. So अगर ये funnel है, this means we have to pour oil from the top and this will come out from the lower end. Now अगर आपको oil डालना है, so this end and this end should be open. There will be no tin sheet at this end as well as on this end. So total area जो आपको tin sheet का निकालना है, that will be the curved surface area of this frustum plus curved surface area of this cylinder. So we'll proceed in the question by finding out the relevant dimensions. So सबसे पहले आप निकालिए R upper for this frustum, which is upper diameter by 2, 18 by 2, that is 9 centimeters. Now you know the lower diameter of this cylinder, so you can find out radius of cylinder, which is 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeters. Now as the cylinder is attached to this frustum, R lower for this frustum should be equal to R cylinder. So R cylinder is equal to R lower, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So आपने तीनों रेडियस निकाल लिए हैं, R upper, R lower and R cylinder. Now we are supposed to find out height of frustum. This will be equal to height of funnel minus height of this cylinder. Height of funnel, this is given to you 22 centimeter minus height of cylindrical base, right? So this is 22 centimeters minus 10 centimeters. Now this came out to be 12 centimeter. So आपने frustum की height भी निकाल ली है. Now to find the curved surface area, you are supposed to calculate the slant height. So we'll write slant height L. This will be equal to under root of, the formula for this is under root of h square, we'll write h funnel, plus R upper minus R lower whole square, right? So HF, that means height of funnel आपने अभी निकाली है 12 centimeter. Let's put the values now. We have 12 square plus R upper is 9 and R lower is equal to R cylinder, which is 4. So this comes out to be 12 square is 144 and 9 minus 4 is 5 and 5 square is 25. This becomes under root 169, or we can say 13 centimeter. So we have calculated the slant height L as 13 centimeter. Here we have only taken the positive value for under root 169, right? So slant height आपके पास है R upper, R lower, plus you have radius of cylinder as well as the height of cylinder. So now we'll find total area of tin sheet. The total area of tin sheet will be equal to curved surface area of frustum plus the curved surface area of the cylindrical base, right? Because tin आपका यहीं पर है, only on the curved surface area, the upper and the lower ends are open. So the formula for curved surface area of frustum, this is pi into r upper plus r lower into the slant height L plus curved surface area of cylinder. This will be equal to 2 pi r cylinder into height of cylinder. So we'll substitute the values. We have pi, r upper is 9, r lower is 4, slant height this is 13 centimeter plus 2 pi, r cylinder is 4 and the height of cylinder it is given to you 10 centimeters, right? So 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 into 13 is 169 pi plus 4 into 10 40 into 2 80 pi. So this comes out to be 249 pi centimeter square. Please make sure आपकी unit same हो. Don't do this that somewhere in the question you have used millimeters and somewhere else you are using centimeters or meters. आपका आंसर गलत होने की probability बढ़ जाती है ऐसे. So always use, or I should say always work in same units, right? So आपने value निकाल ली है total area of tin sheet required. So I'll just write down the answer again. Total area of tin sheet, this will be equal to 249 pi centimeter square. You can also use the value of pi as 22/7 or 3.14. जैसे भी आपको क्वेश्चन में रिक्वायरमेंट हो, you can put these values and find out your answer. So this was the explanation for above question. I hope you understood. Thank you.